Hi, in this video we are going to finish the one-page application. This is the last video for example 001, and this is the list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found on this web page, which is already loaded here. Okay, the code can be downloaded from here. And in this video we are going to finish the last bit of coding, and we are going to attach a style sheet to it. I've missed some very small thing, okay, that is valid. So what this guy does is actually to check if the code actually passed the validation. Okay, but anyway, it's not really important that the code will still run without this, but it's a good idea to just put it there. Save your work and run F5. So your work. Okay. The next step is we are going to do. The next step we are going to do is to, let me stop this first, to attach a style sheet to it. So I'm going to add a style sheet to the project, and we are going to call it style. So automatically the style is being opened for you, style.css, and if you look at the file explorer, you realize that in example 001 you have a style.css created for you. Okay, it's almost empty, which is here. Okay, I'm going to just copy my code. Okay, I'm not going to type everything here. If you have been doing other projects, you will know style sheets. So cascading style sheet. So let me just go and copy everything from here, and you can download it from my website just to follow this example. Paste it here, do a save, and the next thing you want to do is you attach your style sheet to default.aspx. So you scroll up and to put it here, and I'm sure you know how to do styles. Okay, save your work, and now if you press F5 or run here, you should be able to see this. Oh, it's not very nice. It's not as close, probably because I forgot to add a div tag. So if you look at the style, there's a div tag or content. So I have to a div tag with ID content. So I'm going to add a div tag here. And put the div tag at the end, and stop it, and F5 again. Okay, so you should be able to run it in IIS Express in Visual Studio. All the error checkings are working, and you should be able to run it in IIS. Press enter. Error checking is working. Okay. So, wait a minute. Okay, that's correct. Wow, that's a lot of depth. Okay, that's interesting. All right, so it's working, and that's a good place to stop this. And you will need a couple of files to running on a server. You will need the default ASPXCS. You will need the style sheet, the 2 files. Basically, that's all the file you need. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 files. Okay, although they create a lot more files for you, but I think that's all the files you need, if I'm not wrong. Maybe you need some scripts, but I didn't really use it. So for this case, probably you will need a script directory if you use the scripts, and then you will need you will need the styles and these 2 files. Okay, so those are the basics. All right, that's a good place to stop. Thanks for watching. That's the end of example 001.